Tell the story about how you were almost attacked by a bear.
He was outside my cabin. It was like 4 a.m. I was going to the bathroom in my cabin.
And apparently he was the size, or she was the size of one of these cars.
So we were walking up to Goodwill. And because my current job is
Shit.
iffy at the minute.
Shit. Shit.
Demonetized.
Okay, so this is Goodwill's movie collection. We have what, the Penguins of Madagascar, Fired Up.
No case, all scratched up.
So what's our side was long? The Longest Yard.
That's a good
I
movie.
actually got that tape from you, remember?
Yeah, I'll actually check to see if this is in good condition. Probably isn't though.
Guitar Hero 2 for the PlayStation.
Actually has disc art and that
Charlie
looks pretty good
Easily the weirdest
actually.
movie ever.
I actually only watched like the first 20 minutes of it and then just stopped. Pretty good condition. I'm thinking about this one in case I get anything here. But they do have the space between us. If this was $1, I'd probably get it because I hear it's so bad. It's good. Good cast, I'd say. I'd give this one a try. $3. $2 too much in my opinion. I'm really cheap and selection here isn't too promising, although they do have Dreamer. The School of Rock Orange County double feature, right?
Alright.
Look at this.
Oh god. Here's Wii Karaoke Revolutions, High School Musical Sing It.
Glee edition, if you didn't know.
Dance Revolutions.
Would have been a good find, but nope,
Yeah.
scratched. And there's no features, but I don't care about that. Oh yeah, they got a Blu-ray here.
Oh boy. Yeah, that's there so we can... Ooh, it's Spy too, so... Oh, it's a promo version.
Yeah, from Walmart when it was
Yeah.
$10 on Black Friday. That's how much I got it for. Now I feel kind of bad.
And then I think these are like the only 4 tapes they have. Frosty the Snowman.
Which you don't own.
Huh?
Do you own it?
No.
But is it
Yeah,
worth it?